Hello, today I will be talking about two websites. I decided to talk about them because my own web project is about free walking tours in Klaipėda. That's why today my first website is free walking tour in Prague. Looking at this website, I just want to go there. The picture is very colorful and just like the whole website looks really attractive to me. I can see the choices of the tours, I can see frequently asked questions, so all the information seems to be available and easy to read. I can also reserve a tour right now. I will just show you guys some tabs. You can see 7 tabs in total. The structure of the website is flat website because just one tab has 2 more options to choose from. Other tabs are just like getting you to a different page and that's it. No other choices. For example, the schedule, it shows you the existing calendar. I think it's very useful because you can see the events that are going on right now in Prague, and you can see the tour for Saturday 13th of April is fully booked, so it's also very useful information for you as a tourist. The whole website is about tours that are being provided by local tour guides for free. The main call for action is like, it's obvious. And here I check the availability and then I book a tour. So I just need 2 clicks to get myself into Prague and just get myself into this adventure. If I want to read more and to know more about Prague, I just go to this tab and I choose blog. And I love the diversity of pictures. I just love that there are so many opportunities for you to know more about Old Town, top 10 places in Prague, public transportation, like all these different diverse options. This is so nice. At the bottom we can see free tours, private tours option, which also gives you the feeling of choice. And if you want to know more, you can get in touch on Facebook or Instagram or like some other websites. External links are available. Then, for example, if you want to get to know more about the people who are providing you with tours, you can get here. You can also contact them. The whole website is built very nicely and easily to access. I love the pictures, as I said. To compare, I decided to choose a website which is talking about free walking tours in a different part of the world, in Chicago, in the United States. This website also is built to provide people with free walking tours and information about the city. It also has a flat structure because we can see that all the available tabs, they just link us to a different page and they don't provide other options to choose from. This website doesn't have as many pictures as they were on the Prague web page. Sorry for that. But this page and other pages, they have a lot of videos. That's what I've mentioned. And you can see that this website is very simple and a lot of information actually, which I don't think is very useful. Like, I don't know, as a tourist, I just want to see what is available at the moment and just to get on a tour and to get to know more about the city, not like to read like 2 pages of information. And just honestly, I prefer pictures rather than videos. But the videos here are quite short, just like 1.5 minutes usually. Like here it's 1:40, there it was 1:25, which is not bad. We also have calendar, so you can see that some tabs and some options are the same for both of the websites. Both of the websites have calendars, they have different options of tours, they have things to do. This website also has something about discount pass, so some useful tips as well as Prague had. You see, we can find it in Faxt, for example, right? If we're talking about the structure and how the websites were built, we can see that this is free tours by food. This is the one about Chicago. It has more details, like it was built in the WordPress, and it's using a lot of, let's say, widgets, a lot of CSS media queries, content delivery network. Also, we can see that it's using a lot of email hosting providers as well. So it's more detailed than a different one. It also uses Google Analytics, and it uses a lot of, as I said, widgets like Font Awesome, Simple Calendar. Do you remember Calendar about the events one? Yep, that's it. Mobile application, right? Mobile web, Clips icon, iPhone, mobile compatible. Also JS cache for content delivery network. If we talk about Prague, it was built using HTML and CSS, and we can see that it actually has less details. It also has Google Webmaster as a webmaster registration, content delivery network, which is the same as Chicago had. Also, it used some HTML specific tags, Twitter cards, meta description and meta keywords, which is useful if we want to make our website popular and visible. It used HTML5 and JavaScript to make it more interactive. As I said, it also has Google Analytics as well as Chicago website head. It also has Font Awesome, and it also has Viewport Meta, iPhone mobile compatible as well. The web servers is Nginx, right? So as I said, when you use HTML and JavaScript, you actually use, you build your website yourself. When it's WordPress, it has a template which you can improve by using more details. Also, if we go back, Chicago has a lot of tabs to choose from. Prague website is not that diverse, that's why it also has less details, but it's still very attractive. And that's why I chose this website to talk more about, because as I said, my own web project is about free walking tours. That's why I just wanted to show you guys all the options that are available right now in Europe, in North America, and you can also see how websites depict their cultural setting and just maybe the preferences of people who go on those tours the most, because right here we can see the English version of the website and also French, but if we go back to Chicago, it was English and also Spanish version. It shows that more Spanish speakers are interested in these tours rather than any other speakers, for example. Again, I chose these websites because I find them interesting. I hope you also liked my video. So thank you for your attention, guys, and have a good day. Thank you.